Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, how to check the real quality of your laptop, notebook, microphone? If it's 192 kilobits, if it's 128 kilobits, if it's lower, if it's wider. So, it is example on the laptop ACER A315-56. So this is an example of this check on concerning this laptop. So I am showing you this is on the simplest programs that you can use freely for some tries. WavePad. It's even free edition contains all this. So now I'm going very quite loudly to record my voice, glorifying the God. О земле радісно вигукуй перед Господом, служіть Господеві з радістю, з піснями приходьте до Господа, знайте, що Господь є Бог, Він створив нас і ми Його. So you see, here was the level, so it was on maximum. I glorified the God very loudly. This is like play button. By the way, my sound is only 14 points, so this is 100.
Він створив нас і ми Його. О земле радісно вигукуй перед Господом, служіть Господеві з радістю.
So you see the levels. The levels are maximum. So now, what we do, we, as I remember, we click right mouse on the file. Then we are going to frequency analysis. Probably the second one, temporal frequency analysis. Let us see. So let me play the file. So you see what is the maximum here. 8,570 kHz. So it's only here. It's only here 800. So let me show you what the quality it looks like. It's based on the code of calculation. It is not even MP3 64 kilobits, but it is MP3 40, probably 52 kilobits. Like some programs allow you in menu to select it. So that's the quality. That's a terrible quality. But this current laptop model offers you denoise, perfect denoise. The microphone is working on the long distance. People can hear you from the long distance, and very good denoise function. But that's it. It's not stereo, it's joint stereo, so made with programs. In general speaking, it's mono. But it was very low quality, but with very good long distance signal and denoise function. So such a manual how you can check your own microphone laptop and say if you want in comments below to understand if there is some laptop not very in terms of money very consumable but with good quality microphone. So glorify the God forever.